My makeup is still straight. Come on now. Come on now. I just get right onto it, starting off with my brows. I'm gonna do a detailed video later while I have my brows threaded and they're easier to do because I wasn't in frame that well, and plus I didn't even like them for real when I got done, ended up fixing them off camera. Y'all, I'm sorry that when I get done spreading out the concealer, it looks like a child got done playing on my eyes, okay? I'm not, like I said, I don't do eyeshadow that often because I feel like it takes me too long. So I'm not used to spreading the concealer out like that. In the future, I'll make my concealer on my eyebrows and my eyeshadow look more aesthetically pleasing. Right now, I'm taking a transition color from the Morphe 350 matte palette just so that my eyeshadows will spread around easier. I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette. Okay, I'm slightly directionally challenged, so not slightly, very directionally challenged. So I started using the wrong color at first. I was like, this is not showing up. Then I realized it was on the other end of the palette. So yeah, that's what happened. The correct color I'm supposed to be using is Whiskey. As you can see, I don't really have a defined crease, so I have to make one. I have to be very careful with my color placement so that it actually looks like something. So this is what I'm doing right now, just darkening with my crease with that color. And this is just the eyeshadow look I'm going for, y'all. Next, I'm going to use Smolder and on the lid. I'm going to pat it on there till it's as dark as I want it, basically. Then I just went back in with Whiskey and a blender brush to blend those two colors out. And look, I don't want to wear eyeshadow if you ain't gonna barely see it, so I'm going back in with Smolder and just building more and more and more so it can be darker. The color I'm putting in my corner is called Black Market to deepen it. Or you could just use a dark gray or a black, whichever. Now I need this color. And that color is Radar. I just sprayed a setting spray on the brush so that it would stick to the brush better, and since it's a metallic, it would be more pigmented. The guide I was going by didn't say this, but I decided to add armor on my own just so that the middle of my eyelid would just pop out a little more, and I was end up satisfied. Then I'm just taking some more Smolder just to blend out those edges from the metallic color that I put in the middle. The guide said to use 13, but I decided to use Combust because I figured it would look better on my skin tone and complement the look better. Look, I know you can see the space between my actual lashes and my false lashes, but in my defense, my actual lashes are very curly, so I have to get over, underneath, behind just to get them on. And I should have just put mascara on when I got done, but I didn't. I did later off camera. Since I saw what angle I can hold it at where there wasn't a glare, I decided to show y'all my primer again, 24K Gold by Nicka K. And we all know about LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm pretty sure I'm using Toffee or Fawn. I'm pretty sure Toffee is the lighter one, which I like better when I'm trying to be more dramatic. Right here, I put way too much, and I knew it, and I ended up having to pay for it later. I should have bended that, but you know. I ended up having to hurry up and finish at the end because my roommate got home and we kind of had to prepare for her party. Plus, I had to be at work at 1. I wanted to take pictures. I ended up just taking them when I got home from work. I did end up using setting spray and mascara, and I ended up getting some footage which you saw at the beginning. But if you've watched this far, thank you so much.